If you watched my last video, you learned how to use wax paper to pre-plan your spreads so that everything coordinates and you can get through it rather quickly. Stay with me to see how I use the leftovers to decorate my journal. Decorating my week starting December 10th, and I used the journal Jot and Jive stickers as my inspiration. What I like to do to make sure all my spreads match and coordinate is pre-plan using wax paper, and then I put down what's in that color scheme, and then when I have any leftovers or things, I don't like to waste them, I save this so I can use this for the next spread because the color scheme's already done, the work's already done for me. It makes it really easy. So now I'm going to decorate my journal for the week. I use the HappyPlanner mini because I like that I have small spaces so it doesn't feel too intimidating. And also if I decide to write more, I can just easily white it out and write a longer journal entry. So I'm going to use the leftovers and then also some other stickers from Journal Jot and Jive. I love that she has different sizes on her stickers so that I can decide how much space I want to take up with the same quote. And I like that her pens have color schemes. I have one that has another color scheme too, but I've asked her what did those colors mean, and she actually put a lot of thought to what the colors represent and how they're supposed to make you feel. So I thought that was pretty special. This one reminded me of fall. I didn't ask her what this one meant, but this one reminded me of fall, so I thought it would go well since I'm trying to do fall vibes before fall's over. I like this girl because for some reason she looks like she's deep in thought, and that feels like it goes with the journal, and I like that she has these journal times so I can either put them to schedule journal time or put them on the page to show that I'm journaling. So I've got some stickers, I've got some washi, I've got a few things, so I'm gonna jump in and decorate this spread. I'm confident you're gonna love Journal Jot and Jive Shop so much, so I'm sharing a coupon code for you to save on your next order. Be sure to follow her on Instagram and YouTube. Not only does she share journaling prompts and challenges that help you when you have writer's block, she also forces you to take an honest look at yourself so you can become a better me. This section down here for decoration because I don't often need it for extra writing space. You can see I changed my mind quite often, and I decided I liked the line parts. I wanted to cover up the pink part. I've been saying I'm holding on to the last bits of fall, but the truth is I just want the whole year to slow down. So this sticker about summer is perfect for how I'm feeling. preserve space for writing a little bit each day, so I'm decorating only with these little washi flags. I ended up moving them to the outside of the border since it gives me more space for writing. I tried so hard to use this washi tape, but it just wasn't my style. I feel like I need to use it because it's fall, and once I have it on a couple spreads, I can gift it to someone else. I also tried to make this journal time sticker work because it was the perfect color and style, but it just wouldn't fit on my small pages, so I'll save it to use on my bullet journal. I tend to keep my decorating minimal and on the outside borders so that I have more space for writing. If you'd like to see what my spreads look like after the pen, follow me on Instagram. Thanks for sticking with me while I plan my spread for the week. You'll see it only takes a few moments once you've already pulled everything. I love using journal Jot and Jive stickers in my journal and in my planner. I want to help you start a collection too. Down in the description, there's a coupon code so you can save 15% off your next order. If you haven't seen it yet, be sure to check out the last video showing you how to coordinate your spread with wax paper. If you'd like more tips and inspiration on how you can be a better me too, subscribe here on YouTube and follow me on Instagram at the links below.